Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to install a Flashlogic remote start on our 2011 Jeep Compass. Ordered this kit off of eBay. It was I think $82 is what I ended up paying for it. It's pretty much a plug-and-play system. It does come with a few things if you want to add it, like a hood pin switch. It'll probably kill it if the hood was open while it's under a remote start. Probably wiring for, to turn on the park lights and all those things. I really don't care about that. This is going to be a daily driver for me, so I just want to remote start it when it's cold. So here's the module. Pretty basic module. I don't think there's anything special about it. This is the plug-and-play harness. We'll do that. I don't even think there's instructions. It tells you how to program the remotes, and that's pretty much it. But anyway, this is the box it came in. It was pretty smashed up by the time we got it. So what you're going to do is, in here is where you're going to end up doing the I guess jumper wire. You're going to unplug, plug, and plug back in. We're going to hide the module down here somewhere. I did a few things just to get it started. Here and over here are two Phillips screws that'll hold your upper shroud and your lower shroud together. And then right down here is a Torx. I don't know what Torx it was, a 15 or a 10 or something. And then down here on this shroud, two more Phillips, one there, and there was one over there. So next I'm going to pull this panel down. I already took the upper shroud off, and I'll pull the lower shroud out, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I got the lower shroud out of there. Got to work it around the tilt lever here a little bit, but very, very easy to do. Got the lower shroud off. But this is the skim module that we're going to be putting our jumper harness in. So we're going to unplug right here, and then we're going to tap it in there and go from there. So here's our little clip that goes in the back of our module here. So our harness will go female side to that and our male side to that. I forgot to mention that the push pin, well, I guess the release clip is right there, and it's on the inside of that up there. Kind of a pain. Get a small screwdriver, push it towards the passenger side as you try to wiggle this out, and that'll unplug. So once you got that done, it should look something like this. The male side back into the skim module over there. The female side from your jumper harness here will plug into the male side from the vehicle. Then this part here, you got two connectors. You got a blue one here. Looks like maybe a 6 pin. The other one looks like maybe a 20 pin. Only two places to go. Well, right here, and that will be your blue pin there, and your 20 pin connector goes there. So I'll plug that in. Alright, so I got them plugged in there. Those are the only two that I think I'm going to do. I don't think I need the other ones, but I'm going to test it and see. But once I got those plugged in, that light started flashing there. So I'm going to get out the instructions, see what it tells me to do, and then we're going to see if we can't get remote start. Alright, so my module's plugged in. What I did here now was I installed my key. I turned the key on, I turned the key off, and then I hit the lock and unlock buttons on the driver's door. And I'm pretty sure that's it. Let's go ahead and close the door and see if it actually works. Alright, so the car is locked. Now they say to hit the key lock button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Oh, unlocked my door. I think I unlocked my door. Oh, locked the door. Okay, I did not hit anything. It just did that, but the car did start. Now it does state that the factory run time is 15 minutes before it'll shut off. It says you can change that to different intervals I'm not sure what it says. Let me hit unlock here. There's unlock. So runtime, you can change 3, 5, 10, 25, 30, or 35 minutes. I will not do that. 15 minutes is fine for me. It does tell me that I can enable valet mode, disactivate valet mode, diagnostics. I don't care about the hood. I don't care about any of the trunk stuff. I don't care about the park lights. I just want remote start, and that's what it seems to do. I don't believe the park lights are on. But anyway, it says if you get in the car and you don't turn on the ignition before the park brake, it'll kill it. So let's look and see. Yep, killed the car. That's good. I like that. Alright, so let's just try it again. Make sure it's going to work for us. Door shut. Door is locked. I might disable that horn. I got to figure out how to do that. And 3 times. 1, 2, 3. I wonder why it unlocks that door. But it locks the door right back. Don't know if you can change that or not. Park lights on. Nope. Again, I did not wire that in as I don't care. Very good. Hit the lock 3 times, should shut it off. And it does. Unlock it, and I'll put everything back together. I don't know if you guys want me to show you how to reinstall everything, but anyway, the lower shroud will go on first. Slide it around your tilt lever, put it in there. Then you could probably put up this knee bolster. 2 clips, one on each side. They just pop out. I'll use this tool right here, pop them out, or you can probably just grab it and pull it down. 2 Phillips, one here, one here. After that, put your upper shroud back on. Then you'll have a Phillips, and I think it's a T20 Torx. They'll go in right there. Anyway, I'll come right back. Alright, so I got my module and my excess wiring all zip tied together. I got it hidden up back there in the corner. I also have everything right here all tucked up. That way it's not going to get in the way when I put my shrouds together. So we're going to go ahead and put the shrouds together now. Alright, so I got everything back together. Got my upper shroud attached to my lower shroud. 2 Phillips, T20 Torx, clip, and a Phillips, and a Phillips. Not bad, you know. 15 minutes. $82 remote start for 15 minutes. Do it yourself. These are tools here. Phillips, T20 Torx, screwdriver for my clip. I use that just basically to cut my zip tie, which is not supplied. I supplied my own, and a panel popper. Other than that, I don't think it's that bad of a kit. These are the harnesses I will not be using. There's a little sticker there. I can't read that. But anyway, I'll put the one that you can read on there. I don't think it's a bad deal. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I can't say that they're all the same, but I can't imagine them being too much any different. When I ordered it, I did tell them it was a 2011 Jeep 2.4 liter automatic, and that was pretty much it. They programmed it for me. Make sure if you do order it, they do program it for you. Other than that, you might have to buy something else to program it, but plug and play, very easy. I think you guys would be impressed. Alright, thanks for checking out my video. Any questions, let me know. Please like, subscribe. Appreciate it. You guys have a good day.